What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of spice to your videos by adding some sound effects. So I like to go to upbeat.io. So I'm just going to find a quick one here. Too fast. See, this one will do. So I'm just going to download it. Okay, so that's in my download. I'm going to open up my project up in here. Whoosh transition onto my timeline. And I'm going to sync it up to the part where it's speed ramping. Let's go. Just about. Boom, perfect. There, just a little subtle thing. Gonna add a little bit of extra spice to your videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.